Good morning, children. Welcome back. And if you remember, we were doing Unit 2, Section C, Chapter Tippity the Flying Squirrel. So, children, till now we found that Tippity is a pet squirrel of the author. He is very much fond of her. And she has a very long tail and her set of routine, right? Not only this, she had an attitude. She was good looking, but she was not well brought up. Means she did not have the manners, as the author says. And Tippity was a nocturnal animal, means active at night. She was fond of walnuts as normal squirrels. Now we are going to proceed further with the chapter. Please read with me. Tippity was the means of my solving a problem in natural history, regarding which a controversy raged for many months. What the author says, ki with the help of Tippity, he was able to solve a problem which was related to natural history. Natural history studies about all natural things like plants and animals. So there was a controversy, means having different views. The Himalayan nutcracker, Nucifraga hemisphala. This is the zoological name of this creature, had been credited with the holes one frequently found in walnuts in the Himalayas. Now what the controversy was, the walnuts which were found in Himalayas, they had a different type of hole in it. Got it? And now the controversy was from where or who is the creature who is doing these holes, right? I tested the truth of the assertion, means the belief, by placing walnuts under a tree where a pair of nutcrackers used to come. Yeah, nutcrackers means squirrels. Okay. So what the author did to solve that mystery, he kept some walnuts under a tree where many nutcrackers used to come. Means squirrels and other creatures which feed walnuts. Now what happens? Let's see. The birds turned over the nuts but did not attempt to break them. Now the birds are also nutcrackers, but they can't break the walnut. So they came. They rolled, but they did not try to crack that walnut. After this, a few nuts were collected in which Tippity had already made holes and placed under the same tree and carefully washed. Now what he did, he took some walnuts and in which Tippity had already made holes with her teeth. We studied yesterday in the previous video. She had already made holes in those. So he kept those whole walnuts under the tree. Now he was to watch what happens. In due course, the birds came along and at once selected the bored walnut and began pecking at them and working their beaks inside the holes. What he saw? When he kept those whole walnuts, जिनमें पहले से ही छेद कर रखा था टिप्पी ने, he kept those under the tree and he saw that the birds, they came and with the help of that hole, they started pecking, means उसमें चोंच घुसाना शुरू करा था and trying to break those walnuts more to get the kernel. Kernel. Kernel means the inner part of the nut. Okay. So now these birds are feeding on those walnuts. Flying squirrels are said to lap their drink. Now, what is lapping a drink? Lapping a drink means drinking any liquid with the help of the tongue, just like cats. है ना? Tap, 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 tap. That is the lapping. Okay. So, these creatures, they are told or they are said that they will lap. They lap. They have a habit of drinking any liquid by lapping. But Tibety was much too ladylike and to make any such fuss over her milk. And she was too much, as I said, with attitude and very sophisticated. Here she behaved as if she is very sophisticated, and she did not want to make a fuss like lapping, tap, tap, tap. She did not like to drink the milk like that. She was usually in rather a hurry. She was always in a hurry for it, and consequently, more of her face went into the saucer, the plate in which the milk is served. So he's saying that she was too impatient, always in a hurry, and she wanted to drink the milk all at once instead of lapping, because lapping takes time. When these creatures, they drink any liquid by lapping, it takes time. But this Tibety, she did not want to waste her time. So her entire face went into the saucer than was intended by the nature. What the nature ने क्या बनाया था इन creatures को कि वो लैप करके पिएंगे, है ना? पर टिपिटी कैसे करती थी? पूरा मुंह घुसा देती थी उसमें, क्योंकि उसको बहुत जल्दी होती थी. With the result that a certain amount of liquid went up her nose and made Tibety sneeze and splutter. Obviously, when her face will be in liquid, what will happen? She will sneeze and splutter. What is splutter? We do like this, na? When something gets into our mouth, some hair or something, and we do that kind of thing is called splutter. Okay. Sometimes several attempts were made before she really settled down to have a good drink. But when she did, she got her lips well into the milk and no attempt was made to lap. So the author, he made many attempts that she sits coolly, calmly, then only milk is served to her so that she drinks it properly without putting her face into it. But each time he failed, and she drank the milk in the same way as she used to drink, by putting her mouth, the whole face into it, and milk in her nose and everywhere. So this is how she was, means very impatient, and she did not follow the laws of the nature, no lapping, nothing. So actually, if you see, children, this squirrel was living among human beings. And it had observed that human beings, they don't lap the milk, right? So she also did not want to lap the milk. See, it is the adaptation, or you can say we copy from each other. We train animals, and even if you don't train, if they are living with human beings, they automatically get trained. When we are keeping some pets, some dogs, our dogs are they automatically learn where to sit, where not to sit, and to whom they should bark and to whom they should not bark, who is a known person and who is unknown. These animals, they learn many things from human beings. But it is really very sad that we don't learn any good things from these animals, right now? Now, she frequently accompanied me and the dogs for an afternoon stroll. Afternoon stroll? Stroll means, what is stroll? To roam, just a walk. Stroll means a walk that we do. So the author is talking about the walk that he used to do after his lunch. After being ruthlessly pulled out of her box, ruthlessly pulled out of her box. जबरदस्ती उसको उसके घर से निकालना पड़ता था because she is nocturnal and she is lazy during the day. So he had to pull her forcefully to take for the walk. For the first 100 yards or so, she was perfectly happy. Starting में तो she was happy. Jumping along behind means sometimes beside, sometime back, but kutti phunti, she used to walk. A flying squirrel's natural mode of progression when on the ground is succession of jumps. Okay? Means a flying squirrel doesn't walk like this on the ground. It is a squirrel, but it is not the normal squirrel that we see on the trees. It's a flying squirrel. So iska walking style is also different, and that is jumps. Okay, it is like jumps. Not the graceful little hop of the stripped squirrel. वो जो स्क्रिप्ट स्क्विरल होती है उसकी तरह अच्छे से नहीं होता है, वो ग्रेसफुल हॉप नहीं होता है, बट बड़ा धमाक 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 वाला होता है. बट रादर अ लंबरिंग गैलप. सी गैलप, हु गैलप्स? अ हॉर्स. हाउ डज अ हॉर्स गैलप? अपने आगे के दो पैर उठा के और फिर वो गैलप करता है ना. ठीक वैसे ही ये फ्लाइंग स्क्विरल गैलप करती है. मीन्स ऊंचे ऊंचे बड़े बड़ी छलांग मारती है. नॉर्मल स्क्विरल की तरह डेलिकेटली नहीं मूव करती है, क्योंकि इट इज बिगर इन साइज एंड नॉट टेम्ड. टेम्ड मीन्स पालतू या वेल ट्रेंड नहीं होते हैं. सो दे विल जंप, दे विल टेक लॉन्ग जंप्स, गैलप्स. Lumbering gallop with 4 feet in the air at the same time and the tail held straight up in the air, the last 4 inches or so curling over. When it is galloping, when it is jumping, its tail is straight and last 4 inches are curled. Last 4 inches. What is the length of the tail of this flying squirrel? 2 feet. Means 2 big scales. That big is the tail of the squirrel, flying squirrel. So when it's jumping, tail is erect, सीधी है, ऊपर से थोड़ा curl है. Okay. This not being adapted for long distances, Tippity would soon overshoot her endurance and come to a halt. But Tippity, as you know, that is a lazy animal during the day. So for few yards it was walking properly, jumping, enjoying. Later she stopped enjoying the walk and she used to stop. See, here it is written, overshoot her endurance. What do you mean by overshoot? Means to win over. Endurance, capacity to tolerate, means अपने आप को खींच रही थी इतनी देर से, ड्रैग कर रही थी, अब वो इसका खत्म हो गया. Now it was not able to drag herself and she comes to a halt, to a stop. If I were near, she would make for my leg and be on my shoulder in the twinkling of an eye. And if the author is somewhere near, पैर से यूं फटाफट चढ़ के उसके शोल्डर पे बैठ जाती थी. And she used to be very happy. She had a twinkle in her eyes, chamak in the eyes. And when do we get that chamak? When we are happy, right now? Or if Brook or Dawn happened to be at hand. Brook and Dawn are the 2 dogs, friends of squirrel. So if they are around, then it will go on their backs. She would spring on to one of their backs and get a free ride. An oak or a deodar tree invariably attracted her attention, and she would make her way to the extreme end of a branch and nibble of the young leaves. और कोई ट्री मिल जाता था ओक का या देवदार का, तो it used to climb the tree and nibble the new leaves. जो नई नई leaves होती थी, squirrel liked those leaves and it used to nibble, means कुतर जाती थी. The point of the stem which grew out of the branch appealed to her most. Appealed means she liked it. उसको देख के उसे खाने की इच्छा होती थी. She would pick off leaf after leaf, just nibbling the juicy end of it and throw the rest away. So it used to eat the beginning, the new leaves, and throw the remaining. She was quite happy on any tree or shrub and found something to eat on all. So on all the trees it was very happy because every tree has some or the other new leaf, and she used to feed on those leaves and she used to feel very happy. So I think today it's enough for us to be till here. So we end our video today here only. Remaining part we will do in our next video. Till then, I want you to read the chapter. It has some very new words for us. And please start learning the word meanings. Okay? Thank you.